Video showed you we're the happiest country in the world. We are also we're the happiest country, and we are the most aging country. I don't know if those two go together, but because of our demographics, we have labor shortage, and we are foreseeing labor shortage, in wide areas. So it's not. There is, of course, the healthcare sector, like in many European countries, but we are looking also IT workers, green jobs, skilled labor, all in all, and also sort of skilled labor in sort of blue-collar workers, but skilled labor. So, for example, welders is one profession that we have labor shortage of. But I think, like here in the Philippines and in other countries, the green job and IT will be something that we don't even know yet what kind of skills are needed in 15 years. It's difficult to define what a green job is. We just know that in that sector we will be lacking people. So we are looking into the Philippines, not just healthcare workers, but in a wide range of skilled labor. There are professions where you don't need Finnish, but there are professions, of course, where you do need Finnish. But our experience of Filipino workers and their ability to learn the language is very good. And I'm sure that it's something to do with the fact that most of you speak at least 2 languages to begin with. So then learning other languages is definitely easier than maybe for somebody else. But wide range of professions where we are looking foreign workers.
Industries.
Oh yes, so industries. So we did already, as I said, the growth is happening here. Finland is not really a consumer production country, so Swedes will have IKEAs and that. We don't do that. Our niche is maybe more technology, green transition, circular economy, engineering solutions for waste to energy, construction in a sustainable way, sustainable mining. So it's more through the engineering and machinery and high tech. So we have expertise, for example, in meteorological high tech, and you name it in construction. We know that here in this country there's a lot of infrastructure projects in the near future, airports, ports. So, and they're basically then these type of niche and high-tech solutions. So it's mainly that